welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and today I am drinking another cider, but this time it's in a glass, so it's different. This week I thought that we could take just a little break from all of the different new acrylic pour techniques that we've been testing out and do something that we've kind of already done before. We're going to be making a decorative wooden sign. I think the last time we made these was the signs for my wedding. Nothing really new here, but if you guys want to see what kind of sign we're making and how it turns out, then please stick around. Here is the beautiful piece of wood we are going to be working on today. I just purchased this from my local lumber store. It is a 1x9 piece of pine, I believe, but they cut it down to size for me. It is 1.5 feet long, and as you can tell, I have already taken the first few steps as far as getting this sign started. Like I mentioned at the beginning, we've done a few of these already when we made the wedding signs. Just real quick, going through those, I have sanded down my piece of board, brushed all of the dust off of it, made sure it was nice and clean before starting to stain. I have used the same stain that I did for the wedding signs, which is just Minwax dark walnut, and I did 2 coats on this side. This is the back, and I only did 1 coat on this side. As you can tell, maybe, I don't know if you can see the shade difference on camera. And then once the stain was finished, I went and glossed on a nice coat of Mod Podge. So the sign is nice and glossy, it looks beautiful, and we're gonna start with the fun part, which is doing the decoration. So this sign is intended to hang over a bar. If that is any indication of what we're going to be putting on the sign, here is my current design. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's a little tacky, but you know, it goes with the whole kind of summer vibes and being able to hang out on your porch and just get your drink on, which I am obviously not opposed to doing. So we've got a little margarita glass in the corner. We've got a beer bottle kind of tipped over. So this is our general design. I don't think I'm going to include the umbrella and the olive, if you can see those. And then as far as our materials go, is the same as our wedding signs. I've got Bistro brand chalk markers. I've got a thick white one, a skinny white one, and some neon colors. Ooh, they're kind of to go along with the bright theme for summer, and kind of like they make me think of a neon sign like at a bar. The reason we're going to be using the chalk markers is because in combination with the nice clear coat of Mod Podge, you can erase these as you're working. For someone who likes to get as close to perfect as possible, these are super nice because if you do make a mistake, you can just take a piece of wet paper towel and immediately erase it and continue on. So we are just gonna hop right into the actual making of the sign. Here's our finished sign. I added some yellow accents and a sun in addition to the other neon, just to add to the summer vibes. And our next steps are going to be super simple. We are just going to be spraying this clear acrylic sealer over top. Probably do a couple coats of that just to protect all of the paint that we put on there. And I'm also going to add some just regular old D-ring hooks or D-ring hangers to the back, 1 in each corner, and the sign is going to be good to go. Alright guys, so we are outside and it is beautiful and sunny out here, and it is time to take a look at our finished sign. Ta-da! It doesn't look a whole lot different, considering all we did was really just like spray the clear acrylic. Here it is in the natural light. And we also added on the back, there's the 2 D-ring hooks, so they can hang it up nice and easy. My beautiful signature on the back. But she is ready to go, ready to hang up behind your bar, on your deck, anywhere that you feel like drinking and having this reminder that it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All of my links are always down in the description box below for my Instagram, my Facebook, and my PayPal if you'd like to contribute to the channel. There are still pieces up for sale on my Facebook if you would be interested. And I'll see you guys all for the next video.